he has once again labelled Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma as the Chinese version of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, claiming that Sarma seeks to stay in the public limelight by making controversial remarks. Now, this comment has sparked a political row. And remember, viewers, this comes in after Sam Pitroda's jibe when he called the people from the northeast Chinese, and now it's another Indie leader. This is Tejasvi Yadav, who hurls a racist slur at the Chief Minister of Assam. Take a listen and viewers.
देखिए, हम बार बार कहते हैं, ये जो वहाँ के मुख्यमंत्री हैं वो सस्ती लोकप्रियता चाहते हैं और इस तरह का मतलब खबरों में रहकर में बना रहना चाहते हैं। और हमने कल भी ट्वीट किया था, ये योगी जी के चाइनीज़ रेप्लिका है। ये चाहते हैं कि भाई पूरी तरीके से जो है माहौल जो है बिगड़े। वहाँ योगी जी बुलडोजर चलवा रहे हैं, यहाँ नवाज जो है बंद करवाने का काम कर रहे हैं। तो देखिए, देश जो है सबों का देश है, अमन चैन शांति होनी चाहिए, लेकिन ये लोग केवल नफरत फैला रहे हैं।
And viewers, the BJP has upped the ante and criticized the statement on this racist slur against Himanta Biswa Sarma. Take a listen into what Shehzad Poonawalla had to say.
It was not a by mistake comment, it was a deliberate comment, because Tejasvi Yadav has repeated the Chinese variant, Chinese version comment for Himanta Biswa Sarma merely because Himanta Biswa Sarma is a popularly elected Chief Minister of Assam, comes from the northeast, comes from Assam, he's the son of the soil of Assam. Look at the hatred, the racism, the bigotry that he is repeating the statement. He is saying that I have said it and I will continue to say it. And Rahul Gandhi, Gaurav Gogoi are quiet, because they have always insulted Assam. They have always insulted Northeast. They cut off Assam from map of India. They said bye-bye Assam, Nehruji said it. They dropped bombs on Northeast. And now they are saying that they will take no action on Tejasvi Yadav, who continually, deliberately makes such kind of racist, bigoted comments. It shows the hatred they have for Northeast. This is Mohabbat ki dukaan. This is Nafrat ke bhaijan, racism ki dukaan. Sam Pitroda's Atma has entered Tejasvi Yadav. Sam Pitroda is uncle of Rahul Gandhi. He had said Northeast people are Chinese. That time also Gaurav Gogoi, Rahul Gandhi were quiet. Today also deliberately Tejasvi is repeating the comment, but they are quiet. This shows the mindset of Congress. And Congress talks about Samvidhan. Congress talks about Mohabbat. This is neither Samvidhan. This is neither Mohabbat. It's only Apman and racism ki dukaan.
And my colleague Soumya joins us on the broadcast from New Delhi. Now, Soumya, well, we've seen that earlier it was Sam Pitroda and Tejasvi Yadav, also known to make such comments in the past, once again is at it again and hurling a racist slur once again against Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, calling him a Chinese version of Yogi Adityanath now.
Yes, Rakshita, and this particular statement by former Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar has received a lot of flack, not from just BJP but nationwide as well, because remember, it all started when the Assam government took this decision of scrapping the 2-hour adjournment of assembly for the Jumma prayers. Now, on this line, Tejasvi Yadav had made this statement. However, responding back to Tejasvi Yadav, Himanta Biswa Sarma said that it was a unanimous decision. Out of the 126 MLAs in the assembly, 25 Muslim MLAs who were present there had unanimously given their support to this decision. Himanta Biswa Sarma also went on to say, when this proposal for this provision was presented in front of the Rules Committee, which is headed by the Speaker of the Assembly, it was decided that this provision will be unanimously dropped. He also went on to say the practice. He also went on to suggest Tejasvi Yadav that practice what you preach, because when you were a Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, why didn't you make 4 hours adjournment of the Assembly for Juma prayers a practice then? So this is what Himanta Biswa Sarma had to say in response to what the statement that was made by Tejasvi Yadav. However, sharpening the attack of against the statement of Tejasvi Yadav, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh also had to add something. He went on to say that India Alliance is a bunch of ignorant racists who is who all are not aware of the history and geography of India. First it was Sam Pitroda, now it is Tejasvi Yadav who is making such racist comments. Even BJP had to say the same thing, that it is the racist mentality of Indie leaders who time and again make such comments. Back to you.
Of course, Soumya, the irony is that they call the Himanta Biswa Sarma government's move divisive, but in fact the reaction that is coming in is clearly racist and divisive. Thank you so much, Soumya, for joining us with those details on this story, viewers.